everyone, and welcome back to The Best Way to Hire, where we teach you how to find talent or job hunt like a professional recruiter. Today's for all you manufacturers out there. If you're new here, my name is Nelleke with Neeljym Search Group. Want to know the secret to dominating your competition? Contract staffing, especially contract engineers. So, why is contract staffing a perfect fit for your business? You get targeted expertise right now. Traditional hiring can be slow. Contract staff offers specific skill sets you need right now, on demand, plus recruiters pre screen them so you get the perfect fit fast. It's cost effective. Contract engineers bring expertise without the full time price tag. This is a game changer, especially during those seasonal slowdowns. You only pay for the talent you need when you need it. This frees up cash for other areas of your business. You will easily adapt for your ups and downs. Busy seasons or unexpected projects can stretch your team thin. Contract staff gives you the flexibility to scale your team up or down as needed. You'll always have the right talent on hand. Partnering with a reputable contract staffing company unlocks even more benefits. You can reach a wider talent pool than ever. Keeping up with a vast network of engineers isn't easy. Payroll, taxes, recruitment, it's all a headache. Staffing agencies handle it all, freeing you up to focus on what matters, making the best products. Compliance is made easy. Regulations are complex, especially for manufacturing. Staffing agencies stay on top of everything, ensuring your business is always compliant. Focus on running your business, not paperwork. Manufacturing is dynamic and competitive. By strategically using contract staff, you can boost efficiency. The right engineer for the right job means a smoother production process, less downtime, and higher quality products. This translates to happier customers and a booming business. It will allow you to reduce your overhead and free up cash flow to reinvest in your business. Access to a wider talent pool and faster project completion times gives you a clear advantage. You'll be more responsive to customers' needs and ready to take on those exciting new projects. Take your company to the next level without the headaches or break in the bank. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know, what challenges are you facing?